Here's everything we'll cover in this video, carefully designed to help you better understand each stage and make your journey to success with AI agent development smoother and more strategic. You might master AI, but if you don't know how to sell your service, you'll get left behind. In 2025, those who profit won't just be the ones who understand technology. They'll be the ones who know how to turn it into real results for others. And the fastest, smartest way to do that is by mastering AI-powered sales. This will allow you to attract clients, deliver value, and earn big, even if you're starting from scratch. Now let's get straight to the content. Before you start building your AI sales agent, there's one question that changes everything. Who is it for? Choosing the right niche isn't a small detail. It's the line between a promising project and an idea that never leaves the drawing board. And if you want a starting point with real demand, quick returns, and low competition, start here. Medical clinics and private practices. Think about it. Every single day, these clinics handle dozens of messages. People wanting to schedule, cancel, ask questions, check prices, request reimbursements, confirm appointments. And a big part of those messages, they get lost. Either because no one's available to reply, or because replies take too long. And you know what that means? Patients that never book, appointments that don't happen, money that never comes in. Now imagine an AI agent handling all of that in seconds. Polite, fast, accurate, scheduling, confirming, following up. No need to rely on the receptionist, no one left hanging. Not only are you saving time, you're directly generating revenue. More appointments booked, fewer no-shows, higher return, and the best part? Most clinics don't even know this is possible yet, which means you can get there first. With a simple solution that solves a daily, expensive problem. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be technical. You just need to understand the problem. And now you do. Looking for a niche with high volume, constant interaction, and daily demand? Then look here. Clothing and shoe stores. These businesses live in the fast-paced world of social media. They get dozens, sometimes hundreds of messages every day. Do you have size 8? When will it be restocked? Do you offer same-day delivery? And if no one answers quickly, the customer moves on. Because fashion doesn't wait. It's emotion, impulse, instant desire. Now imagine an AI agent responding in real time, answering questions, suggesting other colors, recommending sizes, offering free shipping. All of it without relying on a salesperson. And here's the magic. That agent learns over time. It understands customer profiles, recommends items that match their style, sends personalized offers, and checks back days later with a simple message. Want to grab the last one in your size? That's intelligent service, fast sales, and profit at scale. While the store sleeps, the agent sells. And the best part? You can build this even without knowing how to code. If you're looking to work with a digital, scalable niche full of opportunities, then pay close attention to online course platforms. Every day, thousands of people visit course pages and leave without buying. Not because the course is bad, but because they had questions and no one answered. Is this course right for me? Does it come with a certificate? What if I can't keep up with the lessons? If those questions aren't answered right away, they turn into lost sales. Now imagine an AI agent that shows up at that exact moment, answers, guides, recommends, turns a curious visitor into an enrolled student. And it doesn't stop there. This agent sticks around after the sale. It follows up with the student, sends reminders, recommends new courses, collects feedback. It builds real relationships. It's like having a personalized education consultant, working all day for every lead, every student, nonstop. You build it once, and it sells every single day. Even if you don't know anything about tech, if you understand people, you can build this. If there's one niche that values speed, clarity, and trust, it's accounting firms. Every day, new entrepreneurs are looking for help to open a business, switch accountants, or figure out where they're going wrong with taxes. And what do they want most? Fast answers and advice they can trust. Now picture this. A lead reaches out, and before anyone on the team replies, an AI agent has already handled the first interaction. It asks about the type of business, explains what they need to know, suggests the best tax regime, and sends over a personalized proposal. It's like having a digital accountant available 24/7, polite, precise, efficient. And that's not all. This agent also pre-qualifies leads, separates the ready to buy from the just curious. And if the client doesn't commit right away, no problem. The AI follows up days later with a gentle reminder or a helpful resource. This isn't just automation, it's strategy, it's smart sales. And the best part? You don't have to be an accountant, you just need to know they need help. You don't start by building the AI, you start by understanding the pain. If you want to create a truly effective AI sales agent, you need to ask, where exactly is the sales process breaking down? It's just like a doctor. Before prescribing the remedy, they understand the symptom. So before you automate anything, investigate. Talk to people working in that niche. Ask questions, observe, and identify the frustration points, the ones that make the business lose money every single day without even realizing it. Need a few examples? Wasted time on leads that will never buy. An AI agent can qualify these leads right from the start, so the team doesn't spend hours in conversations that go nowhere. Low conversion rate. Often the problem isn't the number of leads, it's that no one responds at the right time and the sale slips away. AI solves this with immediate, targeted responses. Lack of segmentation. Every lead gets the same generic message. But with AI, you can tailor the conversation to the lead's profile. Are they a freelancer or a small business? New or returning customer? Interested in which specific service? The more specific the pain, the more powerful your solution becomes. And here's the most important part. You don't need to be a sales expert. You just need to pay attention, understand the frustration, spot the bottleneck, and only then, start thinking about what your AI agent should do. Now, let's make this second step even more practical and visual by applying these specific sales pain points to the 4 niches we've already covered. This will help you clearly see what to observe and how the AI agent can come in as the solution. Clothing and shoe stores, common sales pain points, slow responses causing the customer to give up, lack of personalized product suggestions, which lowers buyer interest, leads forgotten in the inbox, ready to buy but with no follow-up. How AI solves it. The AI agent can recommend products based on the customer's profile, instantly answer questions about size, color, and delivery, and even remind them about ongoing promotions. Result? Conversions at the right moment, more closed sales, and less manual effort from the team. Online course platforms, common sales, pain points. Visitors leave without buying due to unanswered questions. Cold leads don't receive any follow-up. Generic replies for everyone, without considering the student's level or interests. How AI solves it. The AI agent answers specific questions, asks qualifying questions to understand the lead, recommends related courses, and sends bonuses or invites to free trial classes. Result? A more strategic conversion journey, higher enrollment rates, and an active, ongoing relationship with the student. Accounting firms' common sales pain points. High demand for initial information which consumes the team's time. Unqualified leads filling the pipeline. No follow-up with leads who received a proposal but never responded. How AI solves it. The AI agent handles initial triage, identifies the lead's business type, answers common questions, and sends automated proposals based on their profile. It can also follow up later with reminders or valuable content. Result? A leaner sales process, more qualified leads, and more proposals converted. Understanding the pain point is what turns a generic AI into a real sales solution. And when you identify the exact spot where money is leaking, it becomes much easier to build an agent that plugs the leak and converts. Before jumping into creating flows and automated messages, you need absolute clarity on what you expect your AI agent to actually do. This is the step that turns a cool idea into a functional structure. Your AI agent shouldn't just be a bot that replies. It needs to solve a specific pain point with a clear outcome. To keep the video from getting too long, and to make sure each insight is absorbed clearly, we've decided to split this topic into 2 parts. In the next video, we'll continue the journey and dive into the remaining topics on how to leverage artificial intelligence in 2025 in a strategic, accessible way with real financial transformation potential. If you want to stay one step ahead, don't miss part 2. Turn on the notification bell and stay tuned. It's coming soon.